Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application, and now we should tap on the right upper corner. Here we'll see the manage accounts on this device section. We should go tap on this section because first, to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on this device. So click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click to remove account and confirm your action. Now in Google's account settings, we successfully log out from Gmail account. So let's go back to the Gmail application and we can see that we also successfully log out from here. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.